Do you have any bad habits that you need to break? Do you?
Yes, we all have. And in this video, we are going to figure them out and share with you some simple tips to fix them all. And my friends, this whole video will be taken care by him. And we hope you will enjoy the video.
For those who don't know me, I am Midhansh Arora, a 8-year-old boy. Here to share how I handle this whole process of cleaning. And before getting into this video,
You know the drill.
like, share, comment and subscribe to my mom's channel Personal Diaries. Friends, first bad habit is not making your bed. A neatly made bed is reflection of discipline. And it takes hardly 2 minutes to rearrange the bed every morning. You can put all the stuff on your chair. Make sure that your bed sheet lay around the mattress neatly. Friends, put all the stuff back on your bed. And you are done. So make this a hardcore habit. The second bad habit on our list, do it later. Oh, tired. I'll do it later. That later never comes. Rather, you end up piling up so much of stuff. If you need to do something, do it now. This is the best way to keep your room managed and clean. Another big mistake we do is to think that we do all cleaning at once. This feeling is so overwhelming and we end up doing nothing. So don't try to do all cleaning at once. Rather do it in a chunks. Take a note which part of the room will you clean. Do one surface, do one drawer or anything you feel like. In this way you will able to save time. Another bad habit is not using squeegee and not using wipers after taking bath. Clean sink and clean floor is very similar to made bed in a bedroom as it makes the rest of your room look clean. And one more thing to remember, after brushing, just look for any bottle of toothpaste and clean it then and there. Because having your sink and bathroom clean is good habit to get into. So always remember to use squeegees and wipers every day. If your study table is exploding with lot of stuff, which clearly means that you don't have proper organization system. So, another bad habit on the list, not having a place for everything. An easy way to do this, dedicate your drawers or cabinets for particular items. As my pencils, eraser, rubber sharpener and my geometry box belongs to my first drawer. As my second drawers belong to folders, rough copies and scrapbooks. As my third drawer belongs to art and craft. My first racks belong to my school notebooks. As my periodicals belong to the magazine holder. As my storybooks goes over my bookshelf. So having a proper organization system helps me keep my table clean and organized. Done. Last but not the least habit to inculcate is pick as you go. Make sure every time you cross the place for some other work, just look around and pick up the item which doesn't belong to there and put it back to its place. Believe me, it helps me to keep sorted. So guys, these were some handful cleaning habits one can adopt. So with this note, I am signing off and meet you in next video. Till then, stay happy, healthy and blessed. Bye friends.